Hey guys, welcome back to Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I am going to make the gift box number 3. To make this box, you're going to need a Red Barrel frozen pizza box. So I'm using one side for the box and the other side for the lid. And as you can see right here, I already traced the size that I want and I cut the squares on the corners. So this box is 16 by 16 centimeters and it is 6 centimeters tall. And now to start, you have to cut all the pieces to fit it in, because as right now, see, I cannot close this as well. So I need to cut little by little until it fits in here. Same thing I am going to do with the sides of my box. I have to check it out and then trace a line with the pencil, and then I'm going to cut and then check again, and it needs to fit all in this side of the box. And then when it's all done, I am going to use the masking tape to close the box. So I'm going to do all this off camera. If you are new to my channel and you want to watch how to make a box in full details, make sure to click the link down below on how to make a gift box number 1. Alright, I got done gluing the second layer of the box and I already started adding the masking tape, and I'm gonna finish those two sides with you guys. Alright, so you're just gonna join these two corners together, adding the masking tape, and fold it in. Now with the small masking tape, you're going to add it on top. And there it is. The second layer is all done. Now I'm going to edit the third layer on the bottom of my box. And I need to cut this piece of cardboard paper to fit in. As you can see, it doesn't fit in there. Okay. I will make a straight line in here so I can cut this straight. Make sure you're using old scissors just to cut paper. This is what I did when I was adding the second layer in the box. Now check it out. See, now fits in this side. Don't let it go. Make sure that you hold it and hold in this side and check it out. Fits in this side. Guys, I cut a little short in here, but I'm gonna leave it as it is because I'm going to edit more layers on the side of the box. So now just add a glue on the bottom of the box. Okay, now just put that in. Make sure that you put pressure. Just make sure the glue is settled. There you go. Now let's do the sides. I need to cut right here to fit in there. Check it out. I need to cut just a little bit right here. The more layers that you added in the box, the more sturdy the box will be. Okay, just mark with the pencil and cut. And you're going to do all this with all these other pieces in here, because I'm gonna add in here 4 layers. So this is my 3rd layer, and if I see if I need another layer, then I will add in another layer. Like I said, the more layer you put in the box, the more sturdy will be. Make sure to add glue on the corners and on the edge of the bottom over here, and blend this in. And the box, it's all done. 16 by 16 centimeters by 6 centimeters tall. And if your box on the sides of the box sometimes tends to go in, tends not to be straight, so if you see that it is not straight, push it out with your fingers so you fix it, and then it will be fine. And I already work with the box lid. So the lid for this box is 16.8 centimeters by 16.8 centimeters. And on the sides of your box is gonna be 2 centimeters tall. In the next video, I will show you how I cover this box with a scrapbook paper. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Like this video if you like it, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.